Hey everybody, it's Eric here with Spartan Auto Works. Today we're going to talk about the most important ground, in my opinion, on a GMT800 pickup truck that will cause all kinds of crazy issues. So I'm in the middle of parting this truck out, and I'm going to bring down this harness here. So this is your ground cable, which goes to this ground lug right here. So in here you'll have two different cables that come to this connection right here. So anytime a vehicle's been taken apart or front end accident, or somebody's been in here messing with the corporate support or something, I can't tell you how many cars I've fixed by going to this particular grounding location. So a lot of times what will happen when a car's been in an accident, people will put the ground on the core support. Well, the ground on the core support isn't really good ground. You need to go to the frame. So if your car's having all kinds of weird issues and it's been in an accident, you need to check this ground. You want to make sure that it should be two cables. I've already got this one pulled apart, but I think this was one for the front light harness, and the other one is going to be for the battery cable. And I think it's just got one connector that runs from the battery cable here. Let's see. Yeah, I think it's that one right there. But anyway, you want to make sure that it is good and grounded right there, because if it is not, you'll get crazy things like turn signals going nuts, or fuel pump not activating, or all these things that you would think might be a body control module. And at the end of the day, it turns out that it's this front ground. I just can't tell you how many of these trucks I've seen that have been in accidents, and everybody puts the ground on the core support. And for some reason, it will work for a while, and you might drive for 2 years, you might drive for 2 months, you might drive for 10 years. All of a sudden it starts acting up, and you'll come down here and there's nothing grounded to this ground. It got moved to the core support. So if you're having an issue and it's ever been a front end accident, in my opinion, this is the most important ground to check. I think this is a very important ground in general to check. If you're checking grounds, this is the most important one. There's a couple under the driver's door, there's also a couple on the dash, and there's one on the head. But when I see issues, this is the first ground I come to, and usually I find something's going on with this ground, and this will take care of most of your problems. So if you got a GMT800 and it's doing crazy stuff, before you replace a body control module, it's due diligence to check your grounds, especially if it's been an accident. Check this ground, make sure this ground is good. If this ground is good, then you got some other issue, but make sure this ground is good. Everybody overlooks this, and like I said, if it's been an accident, it's mounted up here someplace. That's not where it goes. It goes down here.